Jeep Avenger has emerged as one of the popular B SUVs in Europe with rising demand across ICE, hybrid and BEV variants. Jeep has increased the production target for Avenger to 1.1 lakh units per annum. In the latest development, the 2026 Avenger Facelift has been unveiled. The mid-cycle refresh is headlined by Jeep's new LED-illuminated 7-slot grille. Inspired by the latest Jeep Compass, the LED 7-slot grille is actually standard only on the top trims. There are also new bumpers, plus fresh vertical red front details and the Jeep Shield on the 4xe models. Additionally, there are redesigned 17 and 18-inch alloy wheels, new wheel caps with a stylized Jeep Willys profile, plus two new exterior colors, forest and bamboo, complementing Granite, Ruby, Snow, Storm and Volcano. On the inside, Jeep has upped the perception of quality with softer materials for the front door panels, a padded insert on the lower dashboard, a red panel with rubber switch for the terrain selector, and more premium cloth and vinyl upholstery options. All-wheel drive 4xe models also gain washable green color trim. The infotainment system looks unchanged and the features a 10.25-inch touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. Under the bonnet, Jeep will offer an even wider range of powertrains, with the new entry-level pure petrol model available exclusively with a manual transmission. The 1.2-litre 3-cylinder engine is brand new and produces 98 brake horsepower and 205 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox and delivers a 0 to 62 mph sprint time of 10.6 seconds. The Avenger's 3 existing powertrains remain available. These are an e-hybrid model that pairs a 3-cylinder petrol engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, the clever 4xe variant that adds a secondary electric motor to the rear axle, and a fully electric variant. The BEV is unchanged, so it combines a 54 kWh battery pack with a 153 brake horsepower front-mounted e-motor for a range of 248 miles. Since going into production in Poland in 2023, the Avenger has done decent sales number with 270,000 sold so far, while it holds the crown as Italy's best-selling SUV.